Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite and wish you all Geminis a very, very, very happy new year from me. Gemini, my precious gems, hope you had a great, great, great New Year's Eve. And it's Friday morning for me. New Year's Eve was last evening for me, and I woke up thinking a lot of you would like to know a very important question, which is what was your partner really feeling about you on New Year's Eve? Whether you guys were in separation or together, what were their most hidden emotions towards you, and what were they feeling? So let's start the reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Gemini gang and send them the messages they need to hear. Thank you so much. And Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So before we begin your tarot, let's take a blessing from our angels. See how my angels will bless this reading and then take it on from there. So my angels, blessing, guidance or advice for my Geminis, please. Blessing, guidance or advice. And the card is this one. All right, so let's keep it here. Put the rest back, Gemini. And what we have here is sleep. Oh my God. What's happening on New Year's Eve, Gemini? Either you're taking a step back and saying, I'm going to sleep New Year's Eve away, or maybe your partner wants to sleep with you. Who knows? I have no clue, Libra. Sorry, Gemini. I'm going to just put this card here and see how it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So Gemini, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support to the channel, for being with me in 2020, keeping me motivated through the pandemic, and also joining me on the ride towards a beautiful 2021. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your donations to the channel. I'm very blessed and very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, Gemini, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. And Gems, if you need a private reading, my January 6th schedule is open. You can email me. My email is in the description box below, as well as the About section of this channel. So somebody is hoping and praying and maybe sleeping and dreaming. Who knows? Okay, so I have the star card here. Let's open your cards and see what's going on with my Gemini gang. Two of Wands, Ace of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, King of Swords, Ten of Swords, Four of Pentacles, the Tower, Three of Pentacles, and the Six of Pentacles. So before I interpret these cards, Gemini, let's take some dialogue messages to see what your partner's hidden thoughts and hidden feelings were towards you, or vice versa. Okay, let's take a couple more from the other deck. One more, all right, that's enough. So Gemini, let's see. Walking away from you was the hardest thing I have ever done in my life, and it's my biggest regret. So there is separation between the two of you. One person had to walk away because of their own maybe whatever life decisions they made, or maybe there was somebody else in the mix. Somebody had to maybe say a goodbye here, and they are regretting that. The other one says, the ball is in your court now, as I have done everything I can to get this connection to move along. We are at a standstill now until you come forward with your feelings and put the wheels in motion. Next card says, with just one text, one call, one look, and one smile, you make my day. You are the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you day and night. So somebody walked away, but still keep looking at their phone, waiting, hoping that, they're not forgotten and somebody is going to kind of connect with them. But the other person is saying, I've done enough. I mean, how long can I keep smiling at you and texting you and keeping, things flowing? I'm tired now. So either you'll tell me what's in your heart or then that's it. Next message says, you changed. You were keeping secrets from me. One moment we were talking like best friends, and then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. Maybe you guys were actually on the same page at one point, used to laugh and joke and tell each other everything. But something happened in the mix where one partner, maybe one partner felt that the other partner was keeping secrets, or maybe another relationship or something that they didn't want their partner to know. There was some kind of distrust which happened between the two of you. So the partner who was always sharing everything from their heart also kind of clammed up a little bit, and now distance is growing more and more. Last card says, I'm not currently feeling in the right place for a relationship right now. I do see us together in future. I believe that you are my destiny. So I think one partner's walked away and is just trying to clean up their life and hoping that when they return, their partner will still be waiting for them because they feel a very strong soul connection. And the other partner is totally correct to think that they're keeping secrets because, yes, that's the impression I get. This person is saying, I'm not in the right place for a relationship right now. There's still a lot of clearing that this person is still doing before they can reach back to their partner, their best friend, and make things right between the two of you. But sometimes, Gemini, just be a little careful. Things don't last forever, right? So don't expect the other partner to wait forever. Soulmates are many, right? There could be another soulmate which has the potential to come into this relationship if you guys are not being open and honest with each other, right? So just because things were good once doesn't mean anything. You have to keep working at it. Like one partner saying, the ball is in your court. If you don't say anything, I'm not going to do anything either. So yes, somebody is at crossroads here, Gemini. So still trying to decide. Maybe they are stuck between two situations or trying to decide between two people. They, in their heart of hearts, are very clear. They know the truth, they have the clarity, they know what is going to make them stable and satisfied and who they want to be in a partnership with. They know who their heart beats for. They are very clear, and they are also, in their mind, I think they're very clear. But right now, some betrayal has happened in this connection. Or maybe one partner has felt a bit defeated at the moment because somebody was taking maybe too long to decide here. And because of that, one partner, I think Gemini has is kind of protecting themselves, is kind of holding back, no longer giving of their affection, love, friendship as much or as easily as they did earlier. Now this has become a huge tower moment in the other partner's life, that, oh my God, I've lost my person, the person I really wanted, the person I wanted to move towards. This person is now holding back, and will I ever have a reunion with them again or not? I'm not even sure, because there was a question of Six of Pentacles, equal give and take. Right? There could have been one person giving to two here, or maybe one partner wanted an equal partnership and that was not offered at the correct time. Because of that, there is a bit of a stalemate going on, but there is still a lot of wishing, hoping, fantasizing, thinking while being stuck. Okay, so I don't think there's any movement here. Somebody or both of you may be taking a step back to not react or act at the moment, because this relationship still there's a lot of healing to be done. This relationship has to come back into the balance of two. Only then can a commitment even be spoken about or offered. So I just want to clarify one card here, Spirit. The Six of Pentacles. What's the Six of Pentacles? Somebody's realized now, oh my God, somebody realized that this is the tower moment, that they've realized that somebody may or may not be available now to return back to them. And yes, this could be a third party situation. And because of that, they have lost the one that they really adore and love. Now they are kind of thinking about this. They're thinking about an equal partnership and how it was unequal maybe in the past. They have made up their mind now. They have chosen one, and they do want to reveal. They are on New Year's evening. I think they were thinking about how they have to reveal their true emotions now. They have to tell their partner exactly how they feel about who they've chosen and the truth about this Six of Pentacles. Anything else, Spirit? What's this tower moment? Anything specific here? Yes, they've realized the manipulation that has gone into this relationship. They've realized that either they have been emotionally manipulating their partner and not giving them what they really deserved, and now that they've realized that, it's shaken them to the core, and they are realizing on New Year's Eve, or they have realized on New Year's Eve, this is the one I want. I don't want to be confused anymore. I don't want to have too many options. It's time now that I clear the air and go and speak my truth. Okay, so this is what one person has been thinking. If you think your partner's been with somebody else, no, I don't think so. I think this evening they have been by themselves and dreaming of the partner they really, really want, and they are ready, I think, or at least trying to get ready to come and speak their truth, because they know that it's not going to work out. They know that things can come to a total close if their emotions are not expressed. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Gemini. Take care, love and light. Till next time then.